Hello, my dear students. I'm Abrar Siddiqui from Us Teaching Classes. I politely request all of you to subscribe my channel and view and share my videos more and more. If you have any question or suggestions, please write in comment box. We will wait for your question and suggestions. My dear friends and students, today our topic is reflexive and emphatic pronoun. There is a similarity between both pronouns because the same words are used in emphatic and reflexive pronoun. According to its use, they are called reflexive and emphatic pronoun. First of all, we would know about the construction of emphatic and reflexive pronoun. Emphatic and reflexive pronoun are also called compound pronouns because these are made up of personal pronoun and suffix self or selves. Like that, in case of singular number, we add self with personal pronoun, and in case of plural, we add selves. Like that, please pay your attention to add whiteboard. My plus self is equal to myself. Like that, himself, herself, yourself, and itself. In case of plurals, themselves, ourselves, and yourselves. Here, yours, in case of singular we use yourself, and in case of plural we use yourself. So, it is the construction of reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Now, we would know about a reflexive pronoun. The first question is, what is reflexive pronoun? According to that, a pronoun that reflects the effect of action on subject is called an reflexive pronoun. Like that, a pronoun that reflects the effect of action upon a subject is called a reflexive pronoun. For example, as myself, himself, herself, themselves, it is, etc. The main thing is in reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that reflects the effect of action on subject in a sentence. It means the work of a reflexive pronoun in a sentence is to reflect the effect of action on subject. For clarifying it, we can use these examples in sentences. Reflexive pronoun is used in a sentence as a object of the verb because it comes after a verb in a sentence. Like that, Sonia came herself. Here. In the sentence, herself has been used as a reflexive pronoun. According to it, reflexive pronoun herself reflexes on subject Sonia. In other sentence, we can take it. He cut himself finger. In sentence number 2, himself has been used as an reflexive pronoun. Himself affects on subject he in this sentence. In this way, we use reflexive pronoun in sentences. We can take one more example for plurals like that. They follow themselves, us. They follow themselves, us. Here, reflexive pronoun has been used as a plural, its effect on subject, they in sentence is a very clear. We can use reflexive pronoun in this sentence. After that, we would talk about emphatic pronoun. Now the question is, what is an emphatic pronoun? A pronoun that is used to emphasize on verb in a sentence is called an emphatic pronoun. It means an emphatic pronoun affect the verb of sentence like that. We use it for emphasizing something. According to that, a pronoun that is used to emphasize on something. It means the work of an emphatic pronoun to emphasize anything. As I have already made it clear, an emphatic pronoun emphasized upon verb in a sentence. For example would be same. The words we have used in reflexive pronoun, as we have already made it clear in that regard. But I told you that according to its uses, these words are called reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. So due to their use, they are called an emphatic pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Now we will use these words are compound pronouns as a emphatic pronoun in sentences. In reflexive pronoun, these words are used as reflexive pronoun is used as an object of the verb, but in emphatic pronoun is used after the subject in a sentence like that. Mohan himself called me. In this sentence, himself has been used as an emphatic pronoun in this sentence. Here reflexive pronoun affects the verb. It emphasizes here, like that. In other sentence, she herself went there. In the sentence, herself has been used as an emphatic pronoun. Herself has been used for emphasizing, for going there. As I have already made clear that an emphatic pronoun emphasize on the verb in a sentence. That's all.